Alright, guys. So what was it, like over a fucking year ago? Even more than that. I did a rant on how much I hated Windows 8. And boy, oh boy, did I ever hate that fucking shit with a fucking passion. And now while you're probably asking yourself, I hated that shit. Why am I saying hated? Past tense. Because recently my computer fucking tricked me into downloading Windows 8.1. My computer tricked me. You know, I remember exactly how it happened, guys. Just like it was yesterday. Yesterday. You know, we're phasing out here. You know, we're going to do a flashback. No, motherfuckers, I ain't editing this video. They call it flashback. No fancy shit like that. Fuck off. Just here to complain about Windows 8.1. Windows 8.1. So I was typing a fucking document. And this message had been popping up for fucking months to download 8.1. Now, if there's one thing I know about fucking Windows updates, it's to not do them, because they're gonna fuck everything up. Anything that's point anything, like I remember using America Online, AOL, don't do it. Because the thing is, with these fucking little versions that they just released, they're always gonna be buggy as shit. And I'll tell you something, ever since I've downloaded 8.1, not that Windows is running bad, but it's fucked up more times. I've had more times my Flash player crashing when I'm on YouTube, more than when I had 8. It happened, don't get me wrong. You know the shit that comes up where it's like the shockwave plugin has stopped, stop plugin, continue shit comes up. I'm sure you've all seen it. That shit comes up way more times than it did when I had just plain old Windows 8. A lot more times. So the thing is, I was typing the Word document, and that shit comes up, you know, it's like, you know, Windows wants to restart to download Windows 8.1 and shit like that. And so I had been putting down remind me in 7 days or whatever the fuck the, you know, the time span was there. I had been doing that. And so, the fact of the matter is that this shit kept coming up, and, you know, I just happened to be on YouTube or some other site, you know, just, you know, using my mouse, clicking. So, I happened to be typing a Word document this time. So, I guess, I don't know, I fucking wanted to double space or get to the next line, and I hit enter, and just as I was hitting enter, the fucking message popped up to fucking restart my computer. I hit it, and it was too goddamn late. The chaos had already started. The download of death had already fucking started. 8.1 had its fucking dick right in my fucking computer, and there was no way to get it out. Oh, I was getting ass raped by Windows 8.1. And I was waving goodbye to Windows 8. That I still hate it anyway. Bye, Windows 8. I hated you, but you're still going to be 10 times better. You know, it was like trading a whore. You know, it's a whore, so I ain't going to have any emotional connections to it. But a pretty whore, a decent-looking whore. You know, still was able to be functional and shit like that. It was like waving farewell to that, you know, fairly decent-looking whore to a fucking ugly-looking fucking whore. So, it was like trading a fairly decent-looking hooker for a horrible-looking hooker. It's pretty much how it was. So 8.1 gets on my computer, and you know, I needed to access a certain program on it. I said, access? What the fuck? Access a fucking program on my fucking computer using fucking Windows 8.1. So, you know, I go to my lower right-hand corner of the fucking screen. And I, search. Usually when you did search, that would just bring you right there, and it would show you all your fucking programs, and it would, have the search bar, so in case you wanted to actually type something in specific, you could find it. Smart, this thing fucking sucks, but at least Windows 8, managed to find something a little bit intuitive there. So I get the 8.1, and I click search, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. What, you're expecting to see your programs or something? You wanted that in there? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. But why? 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 Why would you remove that? Don't you think that people want to see their fucking programs? Why the fuck would you remove that? People want to see that! Why am I putting so much emphasis on the T's? Jeez, guys, so I have to remember every single program on my computer. Now, I could do that by going into my computer and fucking searching, finding fucking folders and shit like that. But maybe it would be easier if they were right fucking there. So to find Windows Media Player, which I believe I was looking for, I need to fucking go into... I have to fucking type that old shit in. Now I know I type in a fucking few letters and it starts to come up. But the thing is what if I want to find a more obscure program, a lesser used program? I don't know the exact name of it. I'm not going to be able to fucking find it, you're telling me? Fuck off! This is goddamn fucking retarded! Just put it back the way it was. Just put it back the way it was with Windows XP. It was perfect. Now you can't even use Windows XP. You're not even allowed. You can't even fucking go back to it. So you're fucking stuck with it. You're fucking stuck with... This is so... I just don't understand, like, how this shit comes about. What is it, like... Everybody died who worked on Windows XP or, Windows 98 or, Windows Me or whatever. Did everybody just fucking get removed from this country or some shit like that? Get wiped off the fucking face of the planet? Because how is it that you go from that, a practicality to this shit-acality that is Windows 8? And now 8.1. It's like, did they enjoy using this? Is this what they use over at Microsoft headquarters? Fuck off with that shit. I refuse to. They probably got fucking Macs over there. Holy shit. Shit fucking sucks. Do something about it. Windows 9 better look like XP or better. And be more intuitive. But I fucking doubt it. It's probably going to be even worse. There's probably just going to be one fucking app, one fucking program in the middle of the fucking screen on the fucking desktop. Oh, that's the one thing about they did with 8.1. Now when I turn on my computer and I go past the password shit, it brings me right to my desktop, not the app screen. Thank you very much. But now there's a whole host of new problems. So they just... fucked one thing up, they fucking fixed one thing and fucked up a whole bunch more. Congratulations, guys. You're fucking too fucking much. Holy fucking shit. You guys suck fucking dick. Anyway, what I was gonna say was Windows 9's probably just gonna have one fucking thing right in the middle that's gonna say, suck my fucking cock. That's basically it. And you're just gonna click on it. Because you got a PC and you might as well. And then a giant fucking dick pops out of your screen right in your fucking mouth. Thank you very much, people. Have a nice day.